Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the T-Mobile home internet in 2026. All you need is your T-Mobile gateway and your smartphone to get started. First, grab your phone and download the T-Life app from the App Store or the Google Play. Once it's installed, log in with your T-Mobile ID. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new account in just a couple of minutes. After logging in, you will see the setup screen. Just hit Let's Go and your phone will start searching for your gateway. Make sure the device is plugged in and ready to sync. Now the app will help you find the best location for your gateway to get the strongest 5G signal. You can use the placement assistant to optimize your connection. The app usually handles the rest automatically, but if you run into any issues, you can always switch to the manual setup mode. And that's it. Your T-Mobile home internet is officially ready to use. If you have any trouble, you hit try again or use the manual flow.